This is Yuen.
我喺呢個行業咧，經營咗超過70年㗎啦。我現在退休，就交落俾下一代繼續經營落去。
Can I ask him how old is he, or is it through?
問你今年幾大？
我今年88。
88.
For centuries, Hong Kong has been the center of the world's incense trade. I mean, the name Hong Kong actually translates to fragrant harbor in the local Cantonese language. All over the city, you can find little shops selling world-class incense. And today, I am visiting the master of them all. What inspired you to start doing this for business?
有啲咩驅使你去做呢個生意？
呢個就係因為我哋
His family doing this business, so he takes his role to carry on his family's business.
The main ingredient comes from Agarwood, this stuff, and it's made from Agarwood trees, which are imported here from Indonesia and Australia. It smells so sweet and delicious, almost like a vanilla candy. It smells really good. Try to smell this.
Oh wow.
Make it by hand, right? Everything is by his hand or a machine?
你一開始做呢個生意嘅時候係
都用手嘅。
by hand, made by hand.
Everything by hand?
Yeah, but most of the person to take care of business is passed away. So maybe he is the master in this industry.
This precious wood is extremely expensive and profitable, especially when sold on the mainland market. How much is that one?
This one, 1,000 for each gram.
This is $1,000 a gram and this is 800 grams.
So do the math.
Wow. Mr. Yuen has been making these incense by hand since 1954, although he's about to retire soon, passing on the tradition to his family and colleagues. It's truly remarkable how people dedicate their entire lives on mastering one product. It's a passion, it's a lifestyle, and for Mr. Yuen, well, he will always remain a legend. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Oh no.
No.
We pay for it.
We're trying to buy some incense, but he's giving it to us for free.
Are you sure?
No.
Thank you.
He doesn't have to do that. We can pay. It's so nice.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Wow.
Oh wow.
I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.